Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about opting out of sharing your advertiser ID information on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start button and select Settings. Select Privacy and Security on the left side. And now on the right side, go underneath Windows Permissions and select General. Where it says Let apps show me personalized ads by using my advertising ID, you either turn that on or off. So if you want to disable that, just turn it off to opt out. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.